Do you suddenly crave for pasta? You should try it this way. Do you? Come on! This whole dish should only take 30 minutes to prepare. Let's start with boiling the water for our pasta. We will add salt and oil, then leave it like that. While waiting for the water to boil, we can prepare our veggies. First, the carrots. You seem to be always on my vid, huh? To make our life easier, we will grind it this time so it's easier to mix with pasta. I guess I'm going to build my arm muscle with this. No? Okay. Next, 1 leaf of celery that brings out better aroma on the dish. You go this way. Also, 1 leaf of onion leeks. This adds flavor too, and I love onion leeks in most of my dish. By the way, make sure to chop it. Another healthy leaves we have here, malunggay leaves. I guess it will take ages before I finish picking all these leaves. You think so too? Point taken. Let's do it this way then. Don't tell me I told you so, it's easier. Yes, I know now. Pasta in oil with more garlic is even better even with spaghetti. So we will do 3 cloves of garlic. If you're in a hurry, you should try this. It will be easier to peel and chop it. Let's also do the same thing with the onion, except the smashing thing. Okay, we have different colors here. Beautiful. By the time we finish all of this, I'm sure water is already boiling. Add 200 grams of pasta. Make sure to mix it from time to time until it's cooked, because we don't want it to get stick on our casserole, right? Cook it until al dente. Let's not overcook it, because there's nothing worse than an overcooked pasta. Transfer your pasta to your container. If you have a strainer, good for you. It will be easier. Alright, everything is set. Time to cook. Just do the normal way of sautéing garlic, onions, of course, pepper, rosemary, and the celery. While mixing this, you'll definitely fall in love with the aroma of herbs we mix, spreading in your kitchen or place. It's your turn, chop malunggay, and your next onion leeks. Once these are cooked, we can now add family spicy Spanish style sardines. Look at that! It has 1 whole chili and bay leaf. Sometimes you can see carrots too. I'm very particular in using this brand of Spanish sardines. It's tasty and very siksik. 6 laman yan. Iniwan ko lang yung 2 sa can. I tried other brands before and it didn't turn out well. We can now add our pasta. Then mix well. Add salt, magic, another rosemary, and pepper. Mix again. Yes, we will need a lot of mixing here. And don't forget our chopped carrots as the final top. Malunggay and carrots are very healthy, even onion leeks and sardines. Malunggay leaves are excellent source of vitamins and minerals, mostly known to be rich in iron and antioxidants that helps lower blood sugar and cholesterol. Carrots, beta-carotene or vitamin A, lutein and lycopene helps maintain eye health. Spring onions are an excellent source of fiber, which helps in better bowel movement. Add it in your daily diet to reap its benefits. Also loaded with vitamin C and vitamin A, which help in improving the strength of immune system and protects us from infections. Of course, our sardines belong to the bluefish group and a great source of omega-3. It is also a food rich in calcium, vitamin B12, and vitamin D, and provides high protein content and significant amount of iron and phosphorus. These are very flexible too. You can add them in some of our daily dish, try this pasta, or add chopped malunggay, carrots, spring onions, and sardines in your sinangag na kanin. Serve it with grated cheese on top and balance with a little acidity from lemon zest or lemon juice. With our spicy Spanish Sardines Veggie pasta, you will not only satisfy your cravings for pasta, you will also receive plate of nutrients, which is good to start your day. If you like this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up button, subscribe, and click the bell button to get notified for our next episode.